Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for New York Harbor. Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. South Shore base from Jones Inlet through Shinnecock Bay until 2:30 a.m. At 12:55 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a large area of heavy rain and embedded thunderstorms moving northward at 30 knots capable of producing winds over 35 knots. The thunderstorm will be near entrance to New York Harbor around 1:05 a.m. Sandy Hook Bay around 1:20 a.m. Raritan Bay around 1:25 a.m. Lower New York Harbor, Jones Inlet around 1:30 a.m. Rockaway Inlet, Middle Bay, East Bay, South Oyster Bay around 1:35 a.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 2:30 a.m. for the following marine locations in New York Harbor. Long Island South Shore base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York. Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. And Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles.